Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're in a little bit of a different location today in front of the mirror because I thought I would do a haul, but thought I might change it up a bit and do it a little bit different to what my usual hauls look like. So this one is all going to be in the mirror, so it's going to be quite a casual vibe, and I'll just be like showing you the pieces like this. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this bit of a different format video. I will still be doing the other ones. I just wanted to change it up a bit, so let me know your thoughts. And yeah, I'm going to get on with the video now, but of course everything will be linked down below. Okay, I'm going to start with my necklace because this actually came this morning. So I'll try and do a close-up actually. Maybe you can see more like this. So this is the necklace up close. It's from the brand ALONA. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it comes in this cute little box, and I've got two necklaces from there. So this is just the first one, but it's one necklace that just wraps around twice to give it like a layered look to it, as if you're wearing two necklaces. The chain is gold filled, which means it's not going to tarnish or rust or anything like that. And then the little pendant, which has a little eye on it, is gold plated. So again, it's not going to go like manky or weird after like 2 times of wearing it. So I love it. Bit more pricey, I think it's £125, but if you want to invest in some jewellery, which I definitely recommend, because I bought so much jewellery for like £10–15, worn it once and then it's gone like weird colours. But I do have another necklace to show you from them, so I'll put that on now as well. So I've got the second necklace on, as you can see. So this one's really dainty and minimal. It's a great one to layer with other necklaces. This one's only £50, so it is cheaper than the other one, which is great. But again, it's gold filled, so it's not going to tarnish or go rusty. And then this is the back. So it has like a little logo of theirs on it. And you could definitely wear this at the front, I feel like. But yeah. They're the two necklaces I got from ALONA. I love them. Definitely going to be wearing them, so I'm sure you'll see them in upcoming videos and all of that good stuff. Now onto some clothing pieces. So first of all, we got this little top. It is from Brandy Melville. I've actually just got makeup on it, which is a bit annoying. I think it's just a simple top. It was £20. I've just pulled off the tag because I haven't worn it yet. This is definitely something you can wear in summer, but also layer in winter. Put a jumper or like a cardigan over the top, and I think it would look really nice. Now onto some bits I picked up from Zara. So I got this little top. It's super simple and casual. This is just like the kind of top I want to throw on when I'm just lounging around all day. So soft, like so soft. I love the colour as well. I think it is quite autumnal, so you could definitely dress it up and wear it out. But yeah, not sure on the price. Let me look at the tag. It was £15.99 and I got it in a size small. So next up from Zara, we have this little top here, which I'm obsessed with. I think it's such a cute top that you can dress up for a night out, but also wear it in the day and be like super casual and comfy. So it's like in a really finely ribbed material, and it has these like little cutouts at the side. This does come in other colours as well, so I'm thinking of picking up the black one. Can't remember how much it was because I have taken the tag off, but I think it might have been about £20. But yeah, I think it's such a simple little top, but just looks really cool because of the cutouts and everything. And for sizing reference, I got this in a size small, I think, yeah. This is another top from Zara. Love it. High necked again. Love like the scoop around the arms, but yeah, again it's ribbed, so it looks quite high quality. Only thing I will say about this is that the neck is quite small, so it's quite hard to get on over your head. So if you have a larger head, probably not the right top for you, because it took me like a few minutes to actually get this past my head. And I did have to do the pillowcase trick where I put a pillowcase on my head and then put it on, otherwise this would have got absolutely covered in makeup. But yeah, so I was very kindly invited to the H&M showrooms the other day, and I was able to pick up a few bits that I was allowed to take home. So let's start with this top, which is obviously from H&M. So it has like very mild distressing around the kind of sleeves and the top, but it's like almost unnoticeable, I would say, but I think just adds a bit of a cool vibe to a t-shirt. And then the colour of the top is like an off-white oatmeal-y cream colour, almost kind of going towards the yellow spectrum, but a very, very, very pale yellow-y white, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I really like this. It's really simple, you just throw it on. It's quite big and oversized, which I love, and it's from the H&M Studio collection, but this is what it looks like tucked out, so it is quite just big, comfy, oversized, great to lounge around in. So I paired the H&M top with these trousers, which are also from H&M, however I did buy these myself. So they're like navy blue trousers that have a very fine brown check running through. I think you can see more from here maybe, I don't know. So these have definitely been my go-to trousers recently, just because I find jeans can be really uncomfortable sometimes. So these trousers are just so comfortable, really easy to wear with like a little white top, white trainers. So yeah, easy to style, comfortable. That is pretty much all I have on my checklist, and also I think they look quite stylish and cool, if I do say so myself. Love the colour of this jumper from H&M, it's really cosy. Definitely think it's the kind of jumper where you need to wear your hair up, because your neck just looks a bit weird when you've got your hair down. But yeah, I love it. Super comfy and oversized. Not sure on the price, but I'll try and link it below, so if you do want to go get it you can. And you can roll the neck down, like you could roll it under, if you know what I mean, if it's a bit too big stuck up like this. So I put my hair up in a bun because I'm so hot, but it doesn't look good. It just, yeah, it's not gone right, but oh well. Moving on to this jumper. This is from Adidas, but I got it on Asos. It was on sale, I think, for about £30. Love it. I got it in a size medium, so it's quite oversized. But yeah, I love the colour of it. It's like a beigey, light camel colour. Already got chocolate down it because, you know, I love my chocolate. But yeah, it's definitely like a comfortable piece that you can wear at home. But I also see people like style these up really nicely and wear them out as well. It's definitely one of those pieces where you can wear a lot of ways, and it's just, yeah, super comfortable. I also picked up this jumper from H&M. Again, another like super cozy one. Love that it has these little button things on the sleeves, or they're not actually buttons, I don't know, just love the detail. But yeah, super comfortable, love the colour, it's like an off-white cream. But yeah, I am boiling now. I feel like I've made a steady decline in this video of my looks. I think at the beginning I was looking okay, maybe like a 7. Now I'm looking a good 3. My hair's up, it's not looking good, my makeup's all like sweated off. Never underestimate how long a YouTube video takes to film. I think I've been at it a good 2 hours now, and yeah, it's not going well, but that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and appreciate the 2 hours of being boiling hot and changing every 2 secs. And I will see you in my next video.